Friends, welcome to Agri Exam. We are here to continue the series of daily one-liner questions of agronomy. In this video too, we will discuss 30 one-liner questions of agronomy. So let's start. Question number first, organic form of sulfur is, and the answer is cysteine. In cysteine amino acid, the sulfur is present in its organic form. Question number second, hydraulic conductivity of soil is very low in case of, and the answer is alkali soil. In alkali soil, the hydraulic conductivity of soil is very low. Question number third, application of MOP, that is muriate of potash, is not suitable for. The answer is tobacco. For tobacco crop, application of MOP is not suitable. Question number 4, soil sickness is caused by, and the answer is jawar. Soil sickness is caused by jawar crop. Question number 5, boron is toxic beyond 2 ppm in irrigation water for most of the answer is field crop. For field crop, the boron is toxic beyond 2 parts per million, that is ppm. Question number 6, low dose of herbicides is recommended in. The answer is light soil. In light soil, herbicides are usually recommended in low doses. Question number 7, evapotranspiration is measured by, and the answer is lysimeter. Lysimeter, they are nothing but the tanks which are buried in the ground to measure the percolation of water through soils, and lysimeter, they are the most dependable means of directly measuring the evapotranspiration rate. Question number 8, that is flooding irrigation method commonly used for. The answer is rice. Flood method of irrigation, it is exclusively for lowland rice, though it is used for some other crops also. In flooding irrigation, water is allowed from the channel into the entire field, and since standing water is present at least to a small depth, spreading of water is easy and labor requirement for irrigation is minimum in this method. Question number 9, we will see most efficient method of irrigation is. The answer is drip irrigation. So irrigation efficiency of drip irrigation, it is about 90%, and drip irrigation, it is suitable for water scarcity area, and water saving is 50 to 70% as compared to the surface method of irrigation. Question number 10, extensively grown pulse crop in India, and the answer is chickpea followed by pigeon pea. Chickpea, it is the extensively grown pulse crop in India, which is followed by pigeon pea. Question number 11, relative humidity is measured by, and the answer is hygrometer or psychrometer. So this is the instrument through which we can measure the relative humidity. Question number 12, in SSP, that is single super phosphate, sulfur contains. The answer is 12%. Single super phosphate contains 16 to 22% of P2O5, of which 90% is water soluble, and it is a mixture of monocalcium phosphate and calcium sulfate, and it contains 12% of sulfur and 18 to 21% of calcium, and this SSP, it is manufactured in both powdered and granular form. Question number 13, CN ratio of organic matter is. The answer is 10:1. It is the CN ratio of organic matter. Question number 14, agronomic measures, they are used to reduce erosion where slope is less than 2%, and these agronomic measures, they are adopted only when the land slope is less than 2%. Question number 15, bench terracing usually practiced on slope ranging from. The answer is 16 to 33%. This bench terracing consists of construction of series of platforms along contour cut into hill slope in a step-like formation, and these platforms, they are separated at regular intervals by vertical drop, and they are protected by vegetation and sometimes by stones too. next question we will see. It is 16th question. Crop having maximum area under irrigation, and the answer is wheat. Question number 17. Stress hardening in plant can be achieved by. The answer is ABA. 18th question. Root promoting hormone is. The answer is IBA, that is indole acid. Question number 19. Flower and fruit setting hormone. The answer is NAA. Question number 20. Poor quality irrigation water is not suitable for sprinkler irrigation. Question number 21. TZ, that is tetrazolium test, it is done for viability of seeds. Question number 22. In wet nursery of soil, level of water is maintained at. The answer is 5 cm. 5 cm, it is the level of water which is maintained in wet nursery of rice. Question number 23rd. The optimum depth of puddling in rice is. The answer is 5 cm. Question number 24. Nursery area which is required for seedling of rice 1 hectare field is. The answer is 0.10 hectare. Question number 25. The greenhouse gas that released from paddy field is. The answer is methane. Methane, it is the greenhouse gas which is released from paddy field. Question number 26. Carbon contained in organic matter. The answer is 58% of carbon contained is present in organic matter. Question number 27. Major agricultural import of India is. The answer is edible oil. Question number 28. Lunishri is a variety of. The answer is super rice. Lunishri, it is the variety of super rice. 29th question. Yellowing of tea leaves occurs due to the deficiency of sulfur. Due to the deficiency of sulfur, yellowing of leaves occurs in case of tea. Question number 30 and the last question. The cattle consuming grasses of low magnesium contain sulfur from hypomagnesemia, commonly called as grass tetany. So it is the disease which is caused when the cattle consume grasses of low magnesium contained. So friends, this was all about daily one-liner questions of agronomy. For more videos regarding agronomy, stay connected with Agri Exam YouTube channel. Thank you.